A pharmacist is called druggist. Druggist. And a female pharmacist is called druggistin. Druggistin. A photographer is called as photograph. Photograph. And the female photographer is photographine. Photographine. And a pilot, the spelling sounds the same for male profession, but the pronunciation is different. It is pilot. Pilot. Female pilot is pilotin. Pilotin. A police officer is called as policist. Policist. And the female officer is called policistin. Policistin. Politician is called as politiker. Politiker. The female politician is politikerin. Politikerin. A person who works for postal department is Postangestellter. Postangestellter. Female, Postangestellterin. Postangestellterin. The president is called as President. President. And the female is Presidentin. Presidentin. A male priest is called as priester. Priester. And a female priest is called as priesterin. Priesterin. And a professor is professor. Professor. Female professor, professorin. Professorin. The salesperson, Verkäufer. Verkäufer. Female, Verkäuferin. Verkäuferin. Then secretary, Sekretär. Sekretär. Sekretärin. Sekretärin. Student. A male student is called as student. Student. A female student is called as studentin. Studentin. Then the taxi driver is called as taxifarer. Taxifarer. The female, taxifahrerin. Taxifahrerin. A teacher is called as lehrer. Lehrer. A female teacher is called as lehrerin. Lehrerin. Then a TV reporter, Fernsehreporter. Fernsehreporter. Female, Fernsehreporterin. Fernsehreporterin. Waiter, Kellner. Kellner. Female, Kellnerin. Kellnerin. A worker, Arbeiter. Arbeiter. Female worker, Arbeiterin. Arbeiterin. The writer or the author mean the same. Schriftsteller. Schriftstellerin. So, these words are given to you in support to use them for your Vorstellen. Maybe your father or your mother may fall into any one of these categories under any of these professions.